1-843-6572. You know what that is? That's a firing order for a small block Chevy. I was working on a 67 Camaro RS SS 350 2-speed Powerglide. Beautiful car. We're tuning it up. My son and I are doing this together. I'm marking a distributor cap. He says, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm marking a distributor cap so I know where number one's at." He's like, "What's that matter?" I said, "If we know where number one is, we can do the firing order. 1-834-6572. He's like, "How the heck do you remember that stuff?" I said, "As a technician, when I was growing up, you had to know it or you were lost." I said, "Today, you got a 5.3 that's got coilover plug. Your spark plug wire is this long, and you plug it in, done. We took the guesswork out of all of it for you." So I taught him a lesson today. Hopefully he remembers it. And then I get to work, and my buddy says, "Hey, I need your help." I'm like, "It's a little sketchy. What do you need my help for?" He's like, "I have a slot machine over here I lost a key for." I'm like, "Do you own the slot machine?" "It's my slot machine," he said. All right, so I get my lock pick set. I pick the lock. We get into it. He's like, "There's $350 worth of quarters in here I got to get to." And I said, "All right, but I said, "I'm playing it, and I'm using your money." I said, "And if I hit, I'm keeping it." He's like, "No." Anyway, we got it in there. We got it open. He got his money. All good. Then I get home, and I have a lovely 8-year-old granddaughter who's a little spitfire. She says, "Papa, you're cringe."
Papa, you're cringe.
What does that even mean? I mean, does that mean I'm totally tubular? I'm gnarly? I mean, that's the stuff I used to remember when I was a kid. No, that means you're not very good. It's kind of gross. I'm like, I don't get it. And then she says, "No cap." I said, "Girl, I'm bald. I haven't worn a baseball cap in years. That's why I'm bald. But I love her to death, and I will learn all the new stuff that she has to tell me so that I can be not cringe." 1-843-6572. If you remember it, put it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's my wrench reality. See you next time.